Digital technology is everywhere. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by it. It is the engine of our modern world, driving innovation and connecting us in ways we never thought possible. Smartphones, computers, and the internet are all powered by digital technology. These devices have become essential tools in our daily lives. This technology relies on instructions called algorithms. Algorithms are like recipes, providing a set of steps to achieve a specific outcome. They tell computers what to do step by step, ensuring that tasks are performed accurately and efficiently. Understanding algorithms helps us understand the digital world around us. It gives us insight into how our devices function and interact. One important building block of algorithms is the loop. Loops are fundamental in programming. Loops allow us to repeat actions multiple times, automating repetitive tasks and making coding more efficient. This is incredibly useful in programming as it helps streamline processes and reduce errors. It saves time and effort, allowing programmers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Imagine having to write the same instruction hundreds of times. It would be tedious and prone to mistakes. Loops make our lives easier by automating these repetitive tasks, leading to more efficient and enjoyable programming experiences. A while loop is a type of loop in programming. It's like a repeating task that keeps going until a specific condition is met. Imagine a robot programmed to paint a fence. The robot keeps painting while there's still unpainted fence left. In simpler terms, a while loop is like saying, keep doing this action while this condition is true. Once the condition becomes false, the loop stops, and the program moves on to the next set of instructions. Let's break down how a while loop works using structured English. Step 1. While condition. This is the starting point. The loop checks if the condition is true. Step 2. Instructions. If the condition is true, the loop executes or performs a set of instructions. Step 3. End while. This marks the end of the loop's instructions. The loop then goes back to step 1 and checks the condition again. This process continues until the condition in step 1 becomes false. Then the loop stops and the program moves on. A real-life example. The coffee machine. Let's dive into how a coffee machine operates using a while loop. Imagine a coffee machine that uses a while loop to manage its brewing process. This loop ensures that the machine functions efficiently. The condition for this loop is simple. While there's still water in the tank, the machine continues its operation. As long as this condition holds true, the machine will keep brewing coffee. Let's break down the process step by step to understand it better. First, while the water tank is not empty, the machine continuously checks the water level to ensure there's enough for brewing. Second, if the machine detects that there's enough water, it proceeds to brew a fresh cup of coffee for you to enjoy. Third, after brewing a cup, the machine goes back to step 1. It checks the water level again to decide whether to continue or stop. Once the water tank is empty, the condition becomes false. This means the machine can no longer brew coffee. At this point, the while loop stops, and the machine may signal you with an alert to refill the tank. This ensures you always have fresh coffee when you need it. While loops and you. A digital world perspective. While loops may seem like a technical concept, they are fundamental to how digital technology operates. These loops are essentially the backbone of many software applications, running repetitive tasks efficiently. Understanding them gives you a glimpse into the logic behind the software and applications you use every day. It's like peeking behind the curtain to see the intricate mechanisms that power your favorite digital tools. From video games to online shopping, while loops and other programming structures are the unseen gears making it all possible. They ensure that processes run smoothly, whether you're leveling up in a game or making a purchase with a single click. In a world increasingly driven by technology, Having a basic understanding of these concepts is becoming more and more valuable. It empowers you to not just use technology, but to understand and even create it. So next time you use your smartphone or browse the internet, remember the while loops working behind the scenes. These loops tirelessly execute tasks, making our digital lives possible and seamless. They are the silent workers, ensuring that everything functions as it should, from the simplest app to the most complex software.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.